Hi guys, and welcome to the workshop. In today's video I have some goodies for us. It's a thermic camera, as the title says, and it's our lovely GTC 400. Yeah, got this from Emag as usual. Comes like this, in this packaging. Have here some nice icons, but let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, has a small seal over here. This little seal, it's out. Okay, so inside the box, what we can find. Inside the box we can see we have also the battery, have also the charger from the Bosch. Not sure if it's a fast charger, but we will check it out. GAL 12 volts 40, Bosch Professional. Okay, and also a charging cable. It's not Type-C, so it's on the older models. Something to strap on to your hand to not lose it. Have also some documentation on the back. But as we know, that's not very interesting, I guess. Okay, so this device has, it seems, a couple of buttons. One button over here, one for function, the arrows to move around, this button to take a print screen or a picture, and this one for turning on and off. So this is the model GTC 400. It has here a cover for the lens and for the sensor. You need to open it up when you are doing some readings, like this. Here on the right, this is to have the charging port for this cable. And what else? This one is fabricated in Malaysia. Here's the trigger when you are doing the readings. Let's put in the battery, which is 12 volts, 2 amps lithium ion, and see what we can read with this device. So turning this device on. It has a low battery. It prompts me to switch the language to English. Okay, so I am choosing English. I'm not sure why it's blue. American English or British English. Okay, let's go for the American English. Time and date. Audio signals on. Shutdown timer 5 minutes. Okay, delete images. Okay. Wi-Fi channels doesn't concerns me. Confirm the changes. Okay, confirm the changes. Ooh, and it's done. So we have 27 degrees over there on the laptop. This one is not that cold, it seems. Let's check it out. Everything else in the house. Let's go and see some radiators, okay? I see that the sofa is getting hot over here because of the radiator in the back. And another stuff we can do with this camera is you can detect hidden water lines if they are heated to the ground, you know. So for example, I have over here some lines that are crossing this doorway, and we can detect them using this camera. Nice, right? Okay, so here we have a door, and we can see that the door is reading like 11 degrees, and we can see that all around the door there are some cold spots. And let's get this out of the way to see now the readings also under the door. So we have, yeah, under there we have some cold spot, because here I put some garniture and it seems that it's keeping it way more better than on that corner. But it's good, it's sealed now. And now let's switch to a radiator. So we have this radiator over here. Let's check it out. So it seems that it's working pretty well. It's looking to be hitting pretty properly, except that small point over there in the left down corner. But other than that, it's looking Gucci. Now let's switch to another radiator. We have this radiator over here. See guys, this radiator has some problems. It's heating below, but it's not heating as it should. It has only half of it hot. So my guess is that this needs to be cleaned. Let's go to see another radiator. This one seems to be also almost okay. 40 versus 45. So that corner, it's cold corner. Let's see also these windows. It seems that we have a problem with that gap over there. And you know why we have that problem with the gap? Because this window, it's faulty over here. It doesn't close properly. I'm wondering how it performs in the dark, you know? Let's see. Nice, you can see all the room. I don't even need the, light. I can go with this thermal camera in the darkness. Okay, so this is it. This is a cold spot over there. Good to know, I need to see it properly. Let me show you in the light how it is. Okay, so this is how it's looking on the light, and there's the cold spot over there in the corner. It would be nice if this thing could detect the cables to walls, you know. Whoa, you can see something, guys. Interesting. So here on the ceiling, I have it plagued with rigids, and we can see the aluminum profiles, which are colder. And we can basically see the lines, how it's made. Cool, right? Because it seems that aluminum is colder than that rigid stuff, you know. Interesting. You can learn some stuff with this thing. I'm also losing heat from the basement to that upper part of the door. Okay, we'll go in the basement in a couple of moments. Let's go to the backyard and see what we can get with the camera. Interesting. There are some heat signatures. Yeah, basically I can see also the brick line, because on the other side, yeah, interesting, I can see the brickwork. My feet, how much? 27 degrees, yes, and my fingers are getting cold. Oh, interesting. So my left foot, it has a bruise over there, and it seems that it's seeing it a bit more warmer. Nice. Okay, so this is the basement. The sensor is calibrating, so you can see that we have a lot of more heat coming down from the basement. That's it. Okay, so we are in the basement. Let's put in the camera and see what we can get, what readings we can get. So for the start we have the hot pipes with the water. Okay, it's good to know. We have a light over here and more pipes. There are some cables on the wall. But there are some weird marks. Okay. So that was it all, folks. See you in the next one. Ciao. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay?